Hi crafters! Welcome back to KC Crafted Digitals. Today I'm super excited to unbox the W12M double loop wire binding machine. This is perfect for all your DIY notebooks, journals, scrapbooks, and handmade planners. Sa loob ng box, of course, nandyan yung W12M wire binding machine, sample paper na ipapunch, the instructional manual, and then wire holder on machine's front end. Isa sa parts ng W12M double loop wire binding machine ay ang apothem, which is known as edge adjuster for setting the edge ng inyong papel kapag kayo ay nagpa-punch na. Okay, so we have here 2.5 millimeter, 4.5 millimeter, and then 6.5 millimeter. Ito yung sample paper na pwedeng i-punch para matanggal yung oil ng machine. So, pwede siyang i-punch at least 6 times. Pero may allotted naman na 9 pieces or 9 spaces na pwedeng i-punch. Yung sample paper na yan ay may guide para mas madaling mapunit. Kapag nakapag-punch na kayo several times, ready na ang inyong W12M double loop wire binding machine.
If you found this helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow this page for more creative tips, DIY projects, and tool reviews. Till next time, stay crafty and keep the magic going.